Zero to hero. How to use Shopify for affiliate marketing. No skills required. Welcome, future Shopify superstars! Get ready for the ride of your life as we embark on an epic journey to unlock the secrets of how to use Shopify for affiliate marketing. If you've got a dream of financial freedom and endless success, you're about to take that first step. Understanding affiliate marketing and Shopify. Unlocking the power of affiliate marketing isn't just something just for seasoned marketers. It's a thrilling adventure into connecting your audience with the products that they'll love that anyone can do. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, your journey starts here. Think beyond the big brands like Amazon. From global giants to hidden gems, affiliate programs are your treasure trove waiting to be explored. Discover the ones that resonate with your audience for massive success. But the real secret weapon? Honesty. Transparency in affiliate marketing isn't just a legal requirement. It's your secret key to building rock-solid trust and skyrocketing your success. Be the hero your audience deserves. And don't forget to dive into the exciting world of commission structures. Will you choose pay-per-click, pay-per-sale, or pay-per-lead? Each choice leads to a new adventure and strategy. Now, what's the deal with Shopify? Well, it's not just for tech gurus. It welcomes all adventurers, even those without a tech background. Build your dream store without coding. It's like magic at your fingertips. But it's not all about the ease of use. Shopify's universe of third-party apps connects you to a galaxy of possibilities. All the way from direct integrations with other affiliate programs to amazing tools that make setting up and managing your store a cinch. Align your store with your passion and watch it thrive. Starting small, dreaming big, Shopify's got you covered. As your empire grows, Shopify evolves with you. A platform for today, tomorrow, and your dazzling future. And the best part, you never feel alone on your Shopify journey. Dive into forums, tutorials, and 24/7 customer service. Shopify has got your back. Let's build an affiliate marketing website on Shopify. Step 1. Setting up your Shopify account. Get ready, adventurers, because we're about to lay the cornerstone of your affiliate marketing empire. Creating your Shopify account is as easy as pie and twice as satisfying. Pie. Anyway, just a few clicks and voila! Your online realm awaits. Choose your plan, create a catchy name, and behold your brand new store. Worried about getting stuck? Don't be. Shopify guides you like a loyal sidekick through every twist and turn. Step 2. Choosing the right theme. Welcome to the canvas of your dreams. Your Shopify theme is your kingdom's facade, and it's here to dazzle. But fear not, friends, you don't need to be an artist to create a masterpiece. Free or premium, minimalistic or intricate, Shopify's theme store is a treasure trove of aesthetics. Your theme is more than it looks. It's your user's very experience. Choose wisely and watch your kingdom come alive. Step 3. Adding affiliate products. This is where the fun truly begins. Adding affiliate products is like populating your kingdom with hidden treasures. With Shopify apps like Agora, which is built for Amazon affiliate products, each product becomes a part of your store. And it's another loyal sidekick on your journey to create your own affiliate marketing empire. You can check out our free in-depth training on how to build an Amazon affiliate store on Shopify step by step in the link in the video description. Step 4. Customizing your store. Your store is your canvas, and customizing it is your grand symphony. Colors, layouts, graphics, it's all a play, and you're the conductor. Creativity meets functionality here. Here, your imagination takes flight. And worry not, our Shopify wizardry makes it as easy as a morning breeze. Tailor your virtual realm to match your mission, all without breaking a sweat. How to get people to your store. Now that your store is up and running, how do you make people take notice? Well, getting people to your store is like throwing the ultimate party. You need the right invitations, decorations, and ambiance. But worry not, because we're about to unravel the best methods to draw a crowd to your Shopify affiliate marketing store. From the creative allure of email marketing to the magnetic pull of SEO. These strategies are more than just tactics, they're your party planners, your crowd pullers, your success enhancers. So grab your digital confetti and let's plan the biggest virtual celebration ever, ensuring your store becomes the hottest destination online. Now, for each of these, we'll have links in the video description to free full-length training courses so that you can make your store party central. Email marketing. In a digital world filled with flashing banners and annoying pop-ups, emails stand as the noble couriers of your message. Crafting a successful email marketing campaign is like penning a letter to a dear friend. It's personal, it's resonant, and it creates a bond. SEO and content marketing. Wield the mighty sword of SEO and let your affiliate site rule the search engines. With the right keywords, meta tags, and content that sings, your site won't just appear, it'll dazzle. Even better, everyone will know about you when you start ranking highly for the most popular search terms. When this happens, you know you've made it. Social media marketing. Your social media channels are not just pages, they're stages, platforms where your brand performs. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These are the arenas where you converse, share, and become a part of your audience's lives. Depending on the products that you feature, these can also be the places where you can educate or even inspire them. Pay-per-click and paid advertising. Want to boost your visibility at lightning speed? Pay-per-click, PPC, and paid advertising are your trusty steeds. Ride the waves of Google Ads, Facebook ads, and other advertising platforms to reach audiences far and wide. By expanding the strategies, you not only cover more ground, but also introduce your audience to diverse paths that they can follow. The magic lies in understanding these tools and using them not just as marketing tactics, but as a means to connect, engage, and build a realm where your audience feels welcomed and valued. While they're all strategies that take time and commitment to get right, they will all get you right on your way to building something truly special. More advanced topics. Analytics. Understanding your site's performance isn't just a number-crunching exercise. It's akin to reading a fascinating novel where each statistic tells a story. With Shopify's analytical tools, you can uncover the hidden tales of your customers' preferences, buying habits, and even their roadblocks. Want to know the best-selling products? Or why some customers leave without purchasing? Analytics are your private investigators. Google Analytics is another great tool worth adding to your site, and we have a great course on how to use it linked in the video description. Cross-selling and upselling. Cross-selling and upselling are not just sales techniques. They are the art of offering value. Cross-selling encourages customers to buy related or complementary items, while upselling persuades customers to buy a more expensive version of the item they're considering. These strategies are your personal shoppers, guiding customers to make choices that enhance their experience. Retargeting strategies. Have you lost a customer halfway through a purchase? Don't fret. Retargeting strategies allow you to re-engage those potential customers with personalized offers and reminders. Think of it as a friendly nudge, a gentle reminder that their desired products are still waiting for them. Influencer marketing. Welcome to the glamorous world of influencer marketing. Influencers can be your store's ambassadors, the friendly faces that introduce your products to their vast audiences. It's a modern word-of-mouth marketing that can bring authenticity and credibility to your brand. We'll have a great influencer marketing course linked in the video description. Affiliate partnerships. You're not alone in this journey. Other businesses can be your allies through affiliate partnerships. By partnering with non-competitive stores and brands, you can reach new audiences and grow your customer base. It's like having a buddy system in the business world, and together, you have the potential to grow bigger than you could ever imagine. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Navigating the intricate maze of affiliate marketing on Shopify can sometimes lead to a few missteps. But fear not, these aren't fatal flaws, they're learning curves. Let's dissect some common mistakes, including those under-the-radar slip-ups that might escape your notice, and arm you with strategies to avoid them. Ignoring mobile users. In our high-speed smartphone-driven world, neglecting the mobile user experience is akin to turning away half of your audience at the door. A common oversight. This can lead to frustration from your users and lost sales. Now, Shopify does a great job of making sure that the mobile experience of your store is just as great as the desktop experience. But it can be easily diminished by poorly optimized themes and apps, so it's important to keep a close eye on it. Poor product descriptions and images. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but a blurry, poorly described product can lead to 1,000 confusions. Your product descriptions and images are the virtual salespeople of your store, so take the time to make sure that every product shines bright in your customers' eyes. Ignoring customer feedback. Your customers aren't just your revenue source, they're your most valuable critics. Ignoring their feedback is like refusing a treasure map. You need to actively seek, analyze, and implement customer feedback, turning their insights into improvements that resonate with your audience, and ultimately help them to make the right purchasing decisions for them. Conclusion. What a journey it's been! From the very basics of understanding affiliate marketing and Shopify to building your dream store, diving into advanced strategies, and avoiding common pitfalls, we've covered it all. But this isn't the finish line. It's just the beginning of your dazzling success story. Together, we've broken down the process of using Shopify for affiliate marketing into manageable steps. We've dissected the complexities, shed light on the unseen, and infused it all with the fun and excitement that only the world of online entrepreneurship can offer. Through the ups and downs, the successes and failures, remember that each experience is a learning opportunity. Each click, a step closer to success. The road to success is paved with innovation, inspiration, and the passion to learn and succeed. And we're thrilled to have you on this ride with us. If you found any value in this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your engagement fuels our community, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Have questions or comments? Reach out, and let's keep this conversation going. Until then, keep dreaming big and striving for greatness. Your Shopify success is just a click away, and we can't wait to see where this journey takes you. Remember, the sky's not the limit when there are footprints on the moon. See you in the next video.